Hi everybody, this tutorial will cover how to test the speed at which you can upload and download files on CESS. First, we're going to start off by navigating to the CESS Wiki how-to guide. Once we're there, we're going to deploy the CESS decentralized file upload and download environment. Once the environment has been successfully deployed, we can now test the file upload speed on CESS. Firstly, we're going to upload a file with a size of 8 megabits. After 2 minutes, we can see that the file has been successfully uploaded. It has now returned a file ID starting with CESS. We can use the command line to check the upload status of that file. If the file shows as active, the upload has been successful. You can now use the file ID to query on the CESS chain. We can see that the status of the file is shown as active. And we can see that the file has been sliced and distributed across these storage nodes. We will now measure the upload speed of a 50 megabit file. Just as in the previous upload, we will receive a file ID starting with CESS. After about 15 minutes, copy the file ID to query the status on the chain. We can see that the status will now show as active. This means that the file upload has been completed successfully, and you can see that the file, again, has been sliced and distributed across the following storage nodes. Finally, we're going to test the upload speed of a 500 megabit file. Here's the file ID. After about half an hour, go to the chain to verify whether the status has become active. In order to test the speed of downloading files from the CESS decentralized storage network, we will use another server to perform this test. This is because the server that had the files uploaded would have had them stored in a cache locally. Therefore, the speed might be inaccurate. We're going to start off by measuring the download speed of a file with 8 megabytes. Go to the operation guide and copy the command line for downloading the file, and modify the parameter information. Once you've done that, go to the CESS Blockchain Explorer to find the file ID of that 8 megabit file. Copy and paste it, the download will begin, and after 12 seconds, that download will have been completed successfully. Now we're going to go ahead and test the download speed of a 50 megabit file. We're going to navigate to the CESS Blockchain Explorer to find that file ID of the 50 megabit file. Copy the file ID, paste it, and start downloading it. After about 10 minutes, the file will be downloaded successfully. Finally, we're going to test the download speed of a 500 megabit file. Copy and paste the file ID of that file and begin the download. After 15 minutes and 27 seconds, that file will have been downloaded. The file upload and download speed tests on the CESS decentralized network have now been completed. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next tutorial.